Welcome back. Hello friends, I am Anil and in this video we are going to discuss about the benefit of learning the official language of China, that's Mandarin language. 大家好，朋友们，欢迎来到我的频道，我是 Anil. Let's start. Which foreign language should I choose? So first and foremost question which comes in our mind that's we have plenty of options for foreign languages, so why we should learn Mandarin? The answer is if you go on the internet and search the most difficult language to learn or by study of which foreign language I can earn most. So in both the scenarios you will find Mandarin in top 3 always. So here one thing is sure, in order to earn more or for better career you need to target Mandarin for sure. Now let's discuss something more about this language and check the important facts and parameter. 主要的事实和参数. In simple terms, we can say these are the plus points. If we understand this, we will definitely tend to learn Mandarin. Most widely spoken language in the world. 世界上最使用广泛的语言. China is the most populous country, and except China, we have a huge number of people in neighboring countries like Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, etc., and thousands other who are willing to learn Mandarin language. So this is the most widely spoken language in the world. So if you start learning Chinese, you can speak with millions of people around the world. Now let's talk about some other points. Next is business opportunities. 所生意的机会. As per 15th October 2020, IMF International Monetary Fund report, now China has overtaken America for the world's largest economy. So the business opportunity is huge, and business people who speak Mandarin have a huge advantage in tapping into the Chinese market. It is much easier to develop all important relationships if you can speak Mandarin. Next is for travel enthusiasts. 对旅游爱好者 better advantage for travel enthusiasts if you want to travel to China, Hong Kong, Singapore and Taiwan. They offer exciting opportunities for traveling. Getting around is much easier if you can speak Mandarin. Next is fascinating culture. 有美丽的文化. With thousands of years of history, Chinese culture is endlessly fascinating. Whether your interests are in history, architecture, music or cuisine, knowledge of Mandarin language will enrich your understanding of Chinese culture better. Competitive advantages. 竞争优势. Having knowledge of Mandarin gives you a better edge over your competitors and colleagues in all fields, whether it's a corporate world or startups. Unique Chinese writing system. 杜特汉字写的系统. It looks like quite a challenge, but this is another reason to learn it. Despite its difficulty, once you start learning it, you will realize that these characters are made up by very logical and have been used high level of methodology to build it. So learning to write Chinese character will give you a lifetime of intellectual stimulation. The real beauty of the language is revealed in the writing. There are thousands of Chinese characters, but they are not randomly constructed. There is a system for their design and understanding. Their system makes it much easier to learn the new characters. Next beneficial point is career, 职业. By learning Mandarin, you open an unusual and unique path for your career. So in case you are an engineer, student or professional, we buy most of the machines, equipments, chemicals, etc. from China. Or in case you are a commerce student or corporate professional, we have so many financial services, banking services, etc. with China. So in your life, whether you are a businessman who do export and import or just starting your career, and one extreme and very good plus point is that you get a global certificate. If you clear your proficiency exam, then rest assured this global certificate has a lot of value when you seek a new job. Now let's talk about something that how easy is Chinese language. The first and foremost is no more complex sentence structure. 没有太复杂的句子结构. No more complex sentence structure. What do I mean by this? In simple way, if I say this, it means Chinese language has the most simple sentence structure with the comparison of any other languages. China has no complex tenses, sentences, no articles, and yet very simple grammar. Also, we form sentences in very simplistic way. Next is no gender-based grammatical word. 没有具有性别的语法。While learning Chinese, you will come to know that in Chinese we do not have any specific grammatical words which can be used based on the gender of the subject. But in Chinese, you can speak same, so language is free from any complicated grammar. Next is fixed sentence pattern. 固定的句型. Like in English language, our basic sentence structure is SVO, it is subject, verb, object. So in the same way, we use very fixed grammar structure in Chinese language, and comparatively, sentence formation is usually quite fixed and easy to form. So in this video, we present you the smart learning method. 智能学习的方法. Here in this channel, I'm going to tell you some smart learning methods and tricks. By these flawless techniques, you can learn Chinese language very fast and efficiently. So we have a learner series, 学习者系列 unique method, 独特的方法 HSK based learning Chinese through stories. 根据 HSK 通过故事学习中文. So in all cases, learning Mandarin will be always a very plus point in your CV and for your career forever. So take the challenge and learn the Mandarin Chinese. It is your ticket to a lifetime for reward. So friends, here we have a learning series which is unique, and it's HSK based learning series, that is learning Chinese through stories. I think most of the people who want to learn Chinese must be knowing what is HSK, but those who do not know, I will tell you this in brief. HSK is exam to evaluate your Chinese skill in all three aspects, that is reading, writing and speaking. So basically it's language proficiency test, and the full form is 汉语水平考试. It has different level starting from HSK 1, then HSK 2 till level 6. Now next question is what you will learn here. So here in this channel, our main focus will be reading, character writing, basic grammar and speaking practice. So broadly, after this course you will be able to give HSK exams, and additionally you will learn to introduce yourself in Chinese, can speak and convey your basic thoughts at various places like at the airport, railway station, bank, at the restaurant, etc. And it will help you if you want to ask for the direction, etc. You can have basic negotiation and also can enhance your speaking skill in your corporate meetings too. And I assure you that it will be great fun to learn these. So friends, if you are interested and make your career in translation, interpretation, or want to sharpen your career with this special skill, please enroll and immerse yourself in the learning of this unique skill. So guys, it's my email ID, that is learn Chinese through stories01@gmail.com. Friends, you can send me suggestions or any topic which you like to see. Send me in the comment section, and if you want to have one-to-one online classes, you can send me an email. So friends, this is all for today's video. If you have learned anything from today's video and liked my efforts, please support me by liking my video, and please do subscribe and share with your friend. See you guys soon with one more learning video. Till then, take care of yourself and keep studying. 谢谢你们，加油！ Bye.